This meat stuffed pita pocket is called Arayes, and it's a Middle Eastern recipe that you absolutely must try. There are so many flavors to experience with this recipe, so once I saute the onions, I add a little bit of salt and pepper, garlic, and then the spices. Cumin, cinnamon, chili flakes, all go in there with the tomato paste, and then add a can of diced tomatoes and mash that up. All those flavors are going to meld together and turn into this glorious, flavorful paste. Now take your ground beef and mix in that paste and add parsley or cilantro to it. Mix that up all together until you get the filling. Now for the pita pocket, I'm using Toufayan Bakery's classic white pita bread. It's hearth baked and super soft and easy to open like this. Add a few spoonfuls of the meat mixture right inside and press it gently together. Now let's fry up with a little bit of butter. You want to make sure it's golden brown on both sides just until the meat mixture is fully cooked. And that's it. Serve these guys up as a main course or cut it into wedges for an appetizer.